Good morning, students. So today we study the oogenesis. That is the before that lecture we studied the spermatogenesis. So similar the concept is oogenesis. Oo means egg, genesis means formation. Okay, the formation of the egg or the ovum, that is the female gamete, it is called as the oogenesis. So oogenesis process takes place in case of the, that is the ovary in the female reproductive system. So here that is the such a egg which can be formed and shed down, that is at each month in the menstruation. So how the process takes place, formation of the egg. So in the TS of the ovary, that is the primary germinal epithelial cell, that is the PGC, primary germinal epithelial cells having diploid number of the chromosome, 2n chromosome, undergoes repeated mitotic and meiotic division. Sorry, not repeated mitotic division, mitosis, not meiosis, repeated mitotic division. Mitosis, it is a type of cell division where the chromosomal number remains same. One cell divides into two cell divide into four, but the number of the chromosome which are remain same. It is called as mitosis. So because of the repeated mitotic division, there are the large number of the oogonia, that is having 2n number of the chromosome. Chromosomal number remains same as like to their parents. It is called as mitosis. And large number of the oogonial cells which are formed. So it constitutes the phase, it is called as multiplication phase. Means such a oogenesis which can be involved, three phases are there. First one maturation phase, second one growth phase, first one multiplication phase, second one growth phase and third one maturation phase. मल्टिप्लिकेशन म्हणजे काय तर जास्तीत जास्त संख्या वाढणे. सो दिस germinal epithelial cells undergoes repeated mitotic division to produce large number of the oogonial cells. It is called as the multiplication phase. Second phase, it is the growth phase. So from that oogonial cells, one of the oogonia stop their division and which can be grow in their size. It is the shortest phase and grow in the size to form, that is the primary oocyte having 2n number of the chromosome, that is diploid chromosomes are there. That is here size which can be increases, division which can be stopped. त्याचं विभाजन होणं थांबतं सेल डिव्हिजन, परंतु काय होतं फक्त साईज वाढत जाते बिकॉज ऑफ ॲक्युम्युलेशन ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल. अन्न शोषून घेतल्यामुळे फूड मटेरियल त्याचं काय होतं, that is the size which can be increases. It is called as the growth phase. After that, third phase, it is called as maturation phase, paripakvata. So here such a primary oocyte undergoes, that is the two meiotic division, meiosis first and meiosis two. So it undergoes first meiotic division and because of unequal cytoplasm, cytoplasm म्हणजे पेशीद्रव unequal विभागला जातो to form, that is the here this is called as the Graafian follicle or the secondary oocyte and the first polar body which can be formed. Such a secondary oocyte or the Graafian follicle, that is the shed from the ovary at each menstrual cycle. Then second meiosis which can be takes place. But the second meiosis, this is the meiosis first and here the meiosis 2. This meiosis 2 which can be restart and completed after the entry of the sperm in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. This Graafian follicle, this that is the egg which can be divided to form, that is the ovum. It gives rise to ovum and to that of the here, that is the polar body which can be formed, first polar body. And here that is the such a polar body which can be divided into the two polar bodies are there. That is such a condition which can be arrested at the metaphase. Metaphase हा सेल डिव्हिजनचा एक फेज आहे. मेटाफेज म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये क्रोमोझोम एक वेळ टोरला आलेले असतात, विषुववृत्तावर आलेले असतात, मध्यावरती आलेले असतात. ओके, सो हियर दॅट इज द अँड दिस ओव्हम विच कॅन बी शेड from the ovary during each menstrual ovulation period at the 14th day of menstrual cycle. 14व्या दिवशी पाळीच्या काय होतं, हे ओव्हम फॅलोपियन ट्यूब मध्ये येतं, त्याला ओव्युलेशन असं म्हटलं जातं. अँड सपोज दॅट इज द इफ द स्पर्म फ्यूज विथ द एग, त्या एग बरोबर स्पर्म फ्यूज झाला, फर्टिलायझेशन टेक्स प्लेस in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. And if the fertilization doesn't take place, it's shed from the such a, that is the ovary. It is called as the menstruation. आता तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की एग्स कशी तयार होतात, तर हे ओव्हरीच्या ज्या कडेला प्रायमरी जर्मिनल एपिथेलियल सेल्स असतो त्याच्यामध्ये रिपीटेड डिव्हिजन्स होत राहिल्यामुळे एक सेल डिवाइड होऊन दोन, दोनाचे चार, चाराचे आठ असे होत राहिल्यामुळे या उगोनिया तयार होतात। या उगोनियामधली एखादी कुठची तरी पेशी ती आपली डिव्हिजन थांबवते आणि तिची वाढ होते आणि त्याला ग्रोथ फेज असं म्हणतो। त्याला प्रायमरी ओसाइट असं म्हणतो। ती प्रायमरी ओसाइट काय होते, त्याच्यामध्ये मिओसिस डिव्हिजन होतं। मिओटिक म्हणजे काय, तर रिडक्शन डिव्हिजन, क्रोमोझोमल नंबर रिमेन्स हाफ, दॅट इज द देन पॅरेंट्स, पॅरेंटपेक्षा अर्धीच रंगसूत्र ऑफस्प्रिंगमध्ये येतात। आणि हे मिओटिक फर्स्ट डिव्हिजन होताना काय तयार होतं, दॅट इज द सच अ सेकंडरी ओसाइट अँड टू दॅट ऑफ द फर्स्ट पोलार बॉडी, कारण सायटोप्लाझम याच्यामध्ये अनइक्वल असतो। आणि जेव्हा सेकंड मिओसिस होतो त्यावेळी काय होतं, या सेकंडरी ओसाइट पासून ग्राफियन फॉलिकल तयार होतं अँड देन दॅट इज द हियर फर्स्ट पोलार बॉडी डिवाइड इनटू द टू पोलार बॉडीज आर देअर अँड इट इज अरेस्ट, मेटाफेजला ते अरेस्ट केलं जातं। आलं लक्षात? अशा प्रकारे ओजेनेसिस म्हणजे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द एग्स ही प्रक्रिया इथे सांगितलेली आहे।